Welcome to our Master Plumber exam prep. We're going to tackle some key questions to get you ready and confident for the big day.
Hey everyone, a big hello to all you reviewees and JCB viewers out there. Welcome back to JCB EduBuild Solutions, founded by engineer James Below. So glad to have you with us. All right, we're diving straight into selected questions from past board exams. Here's the game plan. I'll read each question and you try to lock in your answer before I reveal it. Think you're ready? Let's get started. Okay, let's get things started with a little warm-up. 5 questions to get the brain juices flowing. Let's do this.
First question. Aside from the number of fixture units connected to it, the size of the piping is determined by its, is it A, length, B, slope, C, change in direction, or D, orientation? Take your time, think about your answer. The correct answer is B, slope. For any gravity-fed system, that slope is absolutely critical. It ensures everything flows the way it's supposed to, which is why the code directly ties pipe size to its slope.
Question number 2. The curb or threshold of a shower compartment may be eliminated. A, to comply with accessibility standards, B, for gang showers, C, in hospitals only, or D, if so desired for safety. What are you thinking? The answer is A, to comply with accessibility standards. This one is all about creating barrier-free designs, especially for individuals with disabilities who might use a wheelchair.
Okay, here's a must-know for the exam. What is the PRC resolution number that gave us the revised National Plumbing Code of the Philippines? Take a look at the options. You got this. The correct answer is C, resolution number 1378. This is one of those facts you just have to commit to memory. It's the legal document that enacted the code we use today. Moving on to question 4. What's the rainfall intensity normally used for calculations around the Metro Manila area? Your options are 102, 51, 76, or 127 millimeters per hour. What do you think? The answer is A, 102 millimeters per hour. And why does this number matter? Well, it's the standard design value engineers use to size storm drainage systems in that area, ensuring they can handle a typical heavy downpour.
All right, last question in the warm-up, and it's a fill in the blanks. Plumbing fixtures shall be supplied with water in blank volume and a pressure blank to function satisfactorily. Which pair of words fits best? Take a moment. If you picked C, sufficient and adequate, you are correct. These are the specific keywords used in the code. It's not about an exact amount, but enough volume and pressure for the fixture to work properly.
And that's the warm-up. Great start, everyone. Now let's get into the heart of it with some core concepts you'll definitely need to know.
Question 6. Which organization conforms the standards and specifications of all plumbing materials in the Philippines? Is it A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is C, the Department of Trade and Industry, or DTI. When it comes to setting and enforcing the quality and safety standards for plumbing materials here, the DTI is the agency in charge.
Next up, a very important safety question. Shower water heaters must be adjusted to deliver hot water with a maximum temperature of what? Look at those options carefully. The correct answer is D, 48.88 degrees Celsius. This is a critical safety standard. It's set at this temperature to prevent scalding injuries, which can be very serious. It's hot enough to be comfortable, but safe.
Question 8 is about official titles. What is the correct term for an apprentice of a master plumber? Is it journeyman, pipe fitter, apprentice plumber, or OJT? The official title is A, journeyman. A journeyman plumber is someone who has finished their apprenticeship and is now a skilled employee working under the supervision of a master plumber.
Question 9. What does the acronym ECC stand for?
Number 10 deals with pressure. A pressure relief valve is required if the water pressure in the system goes above what threshold? 1580, 100, or 150 psi. The magic number here is B, 80 psi. According to the code, any static pressure above 80 psi is too high and can damage pipes and fixtures. That's when a pressure relief valve becomes mandatory to protect the whole system.
All right, let's talk fittings. What fitting can only be used for a vertical to horizontal change of direction in drainage piping? A Y, a 60-degree bend, a 90-degree bend, or a combination Y? The answer is C, a 90-degree bend. Now this is a tricky one. A short sweep 90-degree bend is a big no-no for a horizontal to horizontal turn because it restricts flow, but it's perfectly fine for a vertical drop into a horizontal run.
You are doing an awesome job. We are in the final stretch now. Just a few more questions to go. Let's finish this strong.
Question 12. Which one of these fixtures does not need a clean out on its short horizontal drain? A bathtub, a sink, a urinal, or is it none of them? Think about exceptions to the rule. The correct answer is A, the bathtub. And why is that? It's all about accessibility. With a bathtub, the P-trap is usually accessible either from below or through an access panel, so a separate cleanout isn't required. Here's one about procedure. How many days in advance do you need to file a request for inspection? Now, pay close attention to the wording here, working days versus calendar days. The correct answer is C, 3 working days. The code is very specific. You have to give the administrative authority 3 full working days notice to get your inspection scheduled. Almost there. An elevated gravity tank needs a vent. The area of that vent pipe has to be at least the same area as the what? The upfeed, fixture supply, downfeed, or building supply pipe. The answer is C, the downfeed riser pipe. This makes total sense if you think about it. As water flows down and out of the tank, air needs to come in through the vent to prevent a vacuum. Sizing the vent to the downfeed riser ensures that can happen efficiently. And our final question, the gap between a pipe and a sleeve going through a concrete floor, what should you seal it with? Epoxy, bitumen, oakum, or solder? Lock in your answer. The correct choice is A, epoxy. You need something that creates a super durable, waterproof, and gas-tight seal. Epoxy or other approved mastic compounds are designed to do exactly that, keeping moisture and harmful gases out.
And that's it. We've made it through all 15 questions. How did you do? If you want to keep the momentum going with more practice questions like these, be sure to follow JCB EduBuild Solutions and make reviewing a daily habit.
Every question you answer gets you one step closer to your goal. Keep up the amazing work. We'll see you on the next